Hey everybody, Kathy J here. I'm at Pima Medical Institute. They got two campuses, the Aurora campus and the Denver campus. You're going to see video from both of them because I'm about to take tours at both campuses and I'm about to see what goes down. How hard is it to be a Pima Medical Institute? Can anybody do it? You're going to find out, yes, you can. So just come on by to Pima Medical Institute, either campus, Aurora or Denver, and you're going to see that there's a career waiting for you in the healthcare field. PMI.edu. Let's go check it out.
Good job. See?
That is my favorite. Okay.
Yeah.
Do it again, do it again, do it again.
She likes it. See? Do air and water. Okay, kiss. See, she likes that. She is good. She is
I don't know why, but that's fun.
all the different kinds.
Okay, that's right.
You know that gooey stuff that you have to take out, the Russians, they do all that.
Cool. You put it on your sleeve like it's a happy face, but you had to learn all the numbers, all the 2, 4 with the receding gum lines that they always say. You had to learn how to fill out charts. You had to learn everything, the name of the instruments. Wow, that's crazy, but it was all foreign to you because you didn't even know about it. And you've only been here since April. Way to go, way to go. And then you guys just come here and you don't go anywhere else. Class is here, class is here. Very cool.
Nice.
Okay, yeah, I like this. You don't really have to worry about stuff that doesn't pertain to being a dental assistant. See, that's nice.